Hi guys, this is Areej Khan with Aura Digital Marketing. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new and don't know me, I am one of the founders of Aura Digital Marketing, and what we do is we help dentists get prepaid, pre-qualified booked appointments that are essentially ready to start treatment when they show up to your office. So our clients on average generate anywhere from 20K up to 100K in additional revenue. Now, if you are interested in your very own custom marketing plan for free, then definitely click the link in the description below to schedule in a free call with me where we can walk through all the good stuff and create a very specific plan for your practice. Now, in today's video, what I am going to be showing you is the exact ad and the exact layout that has generated one of my clients, Dr. Abbas, 20K3 worth in implant deals in just a month of advertising. And he has spent only $900 in ad spend within that month. So less than $1,000, and he was able to generate 23K. So and he was able to generate 23K worth in implant deals. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. All right, so this is the exact video ad that has generated my client 15 leads in a single month and also generated those implant deals, which I was talking about earlier. Now, with this video, what's really important to understand is that it's very personal content. And what I mean by that is, it looks authentic, like something you would definitely see on Facebook and Instagram when you're scrolling. It's not super professional, which is kind of exactly what we want. It looks like that trendy content that we see every single day. Right? So what we do is we create the scripting, we send over mics, and then we also do the video editing. So all my client has to do is record exactly what we tell them to record because we know it performs. And if they wish, they can also add their own little twist to it, whatever, to kind of make them feel comfortable. Now, I know this can be a very daunting task for many, but it's really important that in order to stand out from your competition in this day and age, it's just really crucial for you to create content that allows you to stand out and really connect with your audience and honestly get to see you before they even show up to your practice. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and play this video so you guys can kind of see the style that we have going on. So as you can see, there is kind of like that call to action. There's that hook. He knows exactly the audience that he's reaching. But more importantly, it's educational style content. And that's going to be really important when it comes to ads for dental implants, smile makeovers, veneers, because at the end of the day, these people are really cold. They have no idea who you are. They may not even know what dental implants are, what they do for them. So if you can create this sort of educational style content where you tell them like, hey, listen, you have the potential of losing bone, or are you tired of those dentures that really don't allow you to eat your favorite foods? Like, call out those pain points and kind of educate why dental implants is the better option for them. Another, piece of advice is maybe talking about the cost of dental implants, how they can make it more affordable. That type of content is going to go a really long way because it essentially is going to set you as the authority figure, like the expert. You really know what you're talking about, and you're also willing to put yourself out there and educate your audience, just like my client, Dr. Abbas, is doing. Now, so when you run this ad, you are definitely going to get some comments, you're going to get some shares. People are going to, share this with their friends, tag their friends, like it, all that good stuff. So as you can see, the first comment, he was really happy and he eventually became a patient. And then a lot of people are also going to ask questions. So it'll be really important to answer those questions in the comments and also educate them alongside, answering those questions. Now, this is the exact ad that you definitely should be running for your practice in order to get some of those bigger deals and cases. Now, that video that I showed you was the exact video that generated these 2 opportunities for him. One case which he closed at $20,000 and one case which he closed at $3,000. A smaller amount, but still a win nonetheless, because remember, these patients become lifetime patients. So there's opportunity for them to come back and do other treatments with you. Now, how you want to set this ad up is going to be the following, and excuse my chicken scratch. So what you want to do is you want to set up the video ad. The video ad then leads to a landing page, and on this landing page, you'll have the results, you'll have before and afters, patient testimonials, videos from patients, maybe patient reactions, a little about you, a little about your practice, but more importantly, a mini quiz that they can fill out. And in this quiz, you're going to ask some important qualifying questions such as, are they employed? Do they have a cosigner? Do they have dental insurance? Are they looking for financing? What is their estimated credit score? The list goes on and on and on. But you want to be very detailed in your quiz, because let's say they have an insurance that, you don't accept, then what's going to happen is that quiz is going to filter those people out. And the only people who get to go through are the ones that are qualified, who may have the insurance that you're looking for, and maybe even the credit score range that you're looking for, right? So once they qualify, they get sent to a calendar where they fill out their information again, and they can actually select a date and a time and book themselves in. They also, on this page, pay the $25 minimum fully refundable deposit that we have in order to secure their spot. Now, oftentimes, many people may not book themselves in, like they won't self-book. So that's when you can have your front office staff or your call team go in and book in those people who may have qualified, but they just didn't book themselves. Now, you have some who will book themselves, and if they do, that's fantastic. Just make sure you still follow up with them and call them to confirm their appointment. And then the calendar leads to your booked appointments, and make sure you guys are getting notified via email, via text, via Slack. Slack is how we tell all of our clients of the booked appointments that we've been generating for them. Just make sure you have a place where you can safely secure them. So this is the exact strategy that we have used to generate our client $23K in a single month. And just imagine, this is only in 1 month. So that 1 month multiply by 2, 3, 4 months, on and on. So Facebook ads and Instagram ads can be really effective for your practice if you have the right strategy in place. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If there are certain questions you have or certain specific videos you want to see from me, then definitely leave a comment down below and we can make that happen for you. And if you want this exact strategy just done for you and implemented for you, then definitely click the link in the description to book in a free call with me. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.